Alright, hello and welcome back to another video. So this is going to be our second day and then we're going to cruise home after this, so should have plenty of time. It's only like 10:30 and it doesn't finish until 5, and today a lot of people won't care about getting kicked out and all that stuff, so it should be a bit better. Now while there's not too many people here in the drifters on, we're going to get some clips of that and then we'll go over to the burnouts or something. So while there's not as many people walking around and everything, I'm going to make another little edit of the cars and stuff like that. A couple little skids on this tough street if there is any. But yeah. Alright, so we just went over to Skid Row and got some videos, so I'll put that in now. I'm trying not to like be talking too much in it because obviously he's here to try and see cars and stuff, but yeah, we're going to put that in and then we're going to go back to our little fence spot that we were at yesterday and see if they have a hose out getting people to do skids again.
Parts and fabrication components. You can see it all on our
Alright, so there's not much going on now, just like the burnouts, but I can't get any good videos over there. I tried yesterday and we looked there this morning and it's just every single person is there, so there's nowhere to kind of stand to get any decent videos. So they're going to probably end the video here. If I see anything decent, I'll still put it in after this, but other than that, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.